Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing. Quick review of this Blusmart vacuum sealer. That's a new style, really high tech with automatic open close. It has a scale built in up to 2 kilograms, so nice box here, a lot of information, and yeah, I'm going to take it out and show you everything how this works. So here you see what we get. I mean, there are, I think, 10 bags. According to the description, there's a long roll of these sealing bags. It's nicely protected here. It's 110 volts only, so it doesn't work worldwide. So here we have also an adapter which you can use like for jars. Of course, it has to have this access in the middle, otherwise it doesn't work. Here's something, yeah, that's the top of the scale which we have to attach. So this is how it looks. So there's a thread, I think we have to screw this in. Okay, already done, pretty easy. There's a lot of information, manual, smaller ones, larger ones. Here we have a short one, then yeah, probably about the review, and here a detailed user manual. That's a little bit too much to show you the whole thing here. Yeah, I'm not sure. There are a couple of different languages, so I'm going to make this pretty short. Maybe you can put it on highest resolution and put it on pause so you have enough time to read everything if you really want that. So I hope it's focusing nicely. It's a little bit mirroring, but I think it should be possible to read most of it. At least I hope. Oops, yeah. Helpful hints, cleaning, maintenance, troubleshooting. I think that's almost it. Maybe 2 more pages. Yeah, package content, technical specification if you want that. Maybe some people want to make better buy decision, or they buy used, or they lose the instructions, so can be helpful, I think. So I have to connect it and read the instruction, and then I'm going to show you how this works. Okay, so I think I'm ready to explain you everything. So in the back we have the power port here, so you have to open that, you have to, oh yeah, here we are. Yeah, you have to grab this and open, so there's nice protection here. And so this is how it looks. That's the port here for the marinate. I mean, that's the button here, vacuum marinate. So that's the adapter here which you can use. So you have to plug this in here, and then you can use this in a jar. So I'm not going to show you that. I don't have a suitable jar. So this is how it looks all the way around. And at the bottom, so we have this soft rubber feet here. Very simple device, but a beautiful one. Really new, modern style. And of course we start with plugging in. Okay, and we can see the scale is also ready. So we have different units. Of course it's good to set it to 0 here. If it's not on 0, we can measure the weight, 94 grams, or you can see this in kilograms or ounces. So you can see it has 3 digits for ounce, or pound 4 digits, so it is very accurate. Hopefully, at least the display is really accurate. So yeah, I think I'm ready to try this. So yeah, here we have the open close. Yeah, you can hear that, it's a little bit loud, but the thing is when it's closed, so you can lift it even on the lid, so it's pretty secure. And when you open that, it just opens a little bit, so you have access to use it, but not to clean or to take something out. You would have to lift it manually a little bit, let's say, if you want to take out this dripping tray and clean it. What you see here is that there's something in the bag which is a little bit higher, and so this is how it works. Yeah, I take a clean bag. So unfortunately I cannot open it as much as it stays open. That's a little bit the disadvantage, but it's actually not needed. It would be just for the video. So how this works, when this is inside, you push it, hope you can see that, you push it in, and so because of this limitation here, you just push it as far as possible, and then it will be perfectly inside the vacuum chamber. So that should actually work. So we'll put it back inside, and so we are actually ready to go. You have to make sure that it's actually flat. I mean, yeah, when the bags arrive, they are a little bit knitted, but it should work, even though I think you have to make sure that it's perfectly clean and dry here. If it's wet, it won't work. And as far as I know, you have to put the rough side on top, but I'm not 100% sure. I haven't found anything about that in the instructions, so I'm just trying that. So make sure everything is nice and clean and free, and just leave about 3 inches wide without any food, and do not overload. So yeah, this is how we would start. I mean, we have it closed, and we will say, okay, let's start. We open that and we'll put it inside. We push it inside till we hit this edge inside where we are now. And then we have to select either seal or vacuum seal, so we can just seal it without vacuuming. We have the possibility to do just dry or wet food, or use normal pressure or gentle pressure. So we leave it as it is, and I will say vacuum seal, and it closes automatically. Okay, took a little bit of time, but everything is fully automated. It also opened it at the end, so you don't have to do anything. If you think it takes too long or does any crazy stuff, so you have this stop button here. So you can see, did a really nice job. Unfortunately, I haven't been showing you how this happened, but you can imagine how we went from the beginning to this thing here, and you can see it's pretty tight. So maybe for lemons, yeah, it would have been better to use the soft, because it's 80 kPa. That's a lot, you can imagine. But the lemons are pretty much still intact, but yeah, it's probably at the limit with 80 kPa, so it's at the limit. Looks like definitely with how we put it in with the rough side on top worked. Maybe it would also work other way around. I really have no indication. There was nothing in the instructions, not here, and I haven't found anything here, but it looks like it's pretty simple. So that's the good thing here with this edge here, which stops when it's down. Yeah, the edge fully blocks everything, so there's no way you can miss that. That's the good thing. So if you would have to manually open, yeah, it would be opened too much, and you can maybe overshoot or so. When you have it like this with automatic, that's much easier. So I think it really helps with this new style. Scale, yeah, definitely also helpful. So I think it's a really, really nice thing. I mean, it's definitely something else which most people already have. These simple devices, I mean, it's a little bit more expensive. The old ones were maybe $50, $60 or so. This is around $100. I will definitely put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out, order it right from there if you like it. By the way, I think at the moment it's sold out, but I hope it will be back soon into the Amazon store. During COVID-19, that's a little bit difficult for a lot of sellers to restock, but it should be back pretty soon. So I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.